Hello guys, you're welcome back to this channel. My name is Baldwin and I'm here to show you how to make money in crypto and the latest development in the crypto industry. If you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button below. Just some few weeks after the Central African Republic, the CAR adopted Bitcoin as an official currency alongside its local currency, the CFA Franc, on April 27, 2022. The move sparked a backlash from the region's central bank, the Bank of Central African States, BEAC, which manages the Central African CFA Franc, common currency used by 6 countries: Cameroon, Central African Republic, Chad, Republic of Congo, Gabon and Equatorial Guinea. The Central African Republic is a strong ally to the Russian Federation after dumping France, which they believe is the cause of all their sufferings. The decision to adopt Bitcoin as a legal tender against the CFA is another slap to the French government and the CEMAC region, as it violates the CEMAC Community Pact signed by the 6 member states, including the Central African Republic, to protect the economic bloc's financial integrity and development. Political analysts suspect Russia's secret involvement to handle her numerous sanctions. The BEAC has also expressed concern that cryptocurrencies could make it easier for criminals to launder money and sponsor terrorism or rebellions in the region. The CAR has been in conflict between rebels and central authorities since 2013. Cameroon is fighting separatists, and Chad is fighting a spreading Islamist insurgency. There is no doubt that France has been feeding fat over decade from the CFA, as the CEMAC member state agreed to keep at least half of their financial reserves in the French treasury in returns for convertibility guarantee. The Central African franc CFA was pledged to the French francs following agreements signed between Cameroon, Chad, the Central African Republic, Guinea Equatorial, Gabon, and the Republic of Congo in 1948.